everyone, I'm Mary.
I'm Randy.
And we're Rolling Tails RV. We're here in, we went for a visit to the China Ranch Date Farm, which is a really cool stop here in California. It's part of the Mohave Desert. And they have 2 trailheads that you can go and walk on. This is the bigger one of the 2, and it's so well laid out, but just gorgeous. This is a must-see if you're in this area, definitely.
It's interesting, that's for sure.
Okay, till later.